Here is how to make your Roblox display name look cool with Japanese characters in 2025. It's simple and safe, so let's get started. First, you need Japanese-style characters. You can use a website or app to generate Japanese text, or simply search on Google for Japanese name or Roblox Japanese name. Now copy the Japanese name you like. Next, open your Roblox account. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then open Account Info. Find the Display Name option. Tap the Edit or pencil icon. Delete your old name. Now paste the Japanese name you copied. Save your changes. Keep in mind, Roblox may not support all Japanese characters, so sometimes the name may need to be adjusted into English-style letters. Also remember, you can only change your display name once every 7 days, and it must be between 3 to 20 characters long. And that's it, you're done. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.